Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you the best product that you must have if you're camping or big dinners with hot food always. This is electric heating pad for your food. So let me we're gonna open it and let me show you how it works. So came in this bag. This is so practical to go picnic, camping, and all these activities outdoors. Look. Have this cable for the electric energy and this velcro for open and close. This is a great accessory. So here is our pad. This is the down part, and this is the way that looks. You can see that is plastic. This part is heating. So we're gonna connect that right now. I just wanna say all the problems that you can resolve in your camping with this. If you don't have fire or you have to heat your food easy, here is the control. Let me show you more closely. Here is the turn on and turn off button. Here is the temp. You can choose, have 3 modes. We're gonna use the biggest, the hottest, and we're gonna put some food in it so I can show you how it works. So this is a great and excellent accessory for your picnic and camping. I highly recommend it. See you.